In this video, I'm going to give you a test you can run tomorrow morning that will show you exactly where your AI investment is bleeding out. Now, you just dropped 100 grand on enterprise AI and your team is using it as a glorified spell checker. You know it, you can see it. The adoption curve is like a heart monitor flatlining. Meanwhile, your competitor, the one with the worst product, just closed a deal that you chased for 6 months. Their CEO is posting on LinkedIn right now about how AI transformed their pipeline. You're reading that post at 11 p.m. wondering what the hell you're doing wrong. You're not doing anything wrong. The technology is fine. The problem is what I call the invisible brake. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to spot it and what to do next. Hi, I'm Dr. Noah St. John, known worldwide as the Neural Performance Architect and best-selling author of 27 books. Since 1997, I've helped my clients add more than $3 billion in sales. The fact is, every person on your team has a limit on how much output they'll allow themselves to produce. Not how much they can produce, how much they will produce. And you just gave them a tool, right? An AI tool that can produce 10x their capacity. However, their internal neural architecture is treating that tool like a loaded weapon that's pointed right at their identity. Now, if they use it fully, they'll produce results that will shatter the ceiling they've been living under for their entire career. And to the neural architecture, shattering your identity ceiling does not feel like success. It feels a lot like death. So what do? Well, they use the AI for spell checking and email cleanup and avoid the features that would actually move the needle. That's what I call the invisible brake. All the unconscious reasons that we humans hold ourselves back from the success we're perfectly capable of. So here's the test. I call it the Utilization Score, and you can run it in less than 30 minutes right now. So just pick your most expensive AI tool that you've already invested in. Then you ask each person on your team, on a scale of 1 to 10, how fully are you personally using this tool? Average the number. If it's above 7, your AI adoption is fine. If it's below 6, that is not a training gap. That right there is the invisible brake. And the irony is, the more you bring in traditional trainers, the worse the gap will actually get. For example, I ran this with a CEO who spent $4 million on AI. The average score was 4.2, which meant he invested $4 million in a platform running at 42%. So he brought me in, and I didn't do any traditional software training. Instead, I installed my framework that I call Release the Invisible Brake. Because when your people are driving down the road of life with one foot on the brake, more traditional training just burns them out even faster. Well, guess what? 90 days later, utilization score was 8.1. We almost doubled in 90 days. And revenue moved for the first time in years. His competitor stopped being a threat. Not because the technology changed, but because his people finally gave themselves permission to use it. So what's the moral? Run the utilization score tomorrow. If it's below 6, you're burning money every single day. Then your next step is to get your invisible brake scorecard at noahstjohn.com, because in just 90 seconds, you'll get a clear picture of how much money you're losing right now due to the invisible brake. Then book your invisible brake audit at noahstjohn.com/consulting, because in just 15 minutes, I'll find what your specific invisible brake is, what's causing it, and exactly how to release it in the next 90 days or less. Why do this? Because every day you wait, your competitors are pulling further ahead, not because they're better than you, but because they've already released the invisible brake. So don't wait. Get your free invisible brake scorecard today at noahstjohn.com and book your invisible brake audit at noahstjohn.com/consulting. This is Dr. Noah St. John reminding you to ask better questions, release the invisible brake, and accelerate your impact today.